Yes, mayong aga sa tanan. Good morning, everyone. In behalf of Ason Valdivia, who is the president of the Camera Club of Negros, we are proud and we are glad to be back as part of the main events, no? Or activity of the Mascara Festival. This is quite a full circle moment for me because for the past 15 years ago, I was just a registrant for the Mascara Club of Negros, or the Camera Club of Negros Mascara Photo Contest. And this time, it is us who organize this event this time. And for the past few years, lain ang nagauyat sang photo contest ng Mascara. And Camera Club of Negros, as we celebrate our 40th year, we are happy to be back and to be actively part of this prestigious Mascara Festival. So with that, we would like to announce that we have this Mascara photo contest and we will highlight three major categories for this competition. So una, isa na category as a whole for the Mascara photo contest. This time, we divided them into three. First is the highlights, which includes the electric mascara, the street dance, and the arena dance competition. So, another category will be the sectoral events. All the accredited events of the Gugma Foundation, no, na activities ng Mascara Festival, the photographers or the registrants may chance no, to gain access to these exclusive events. So they have slots for photographers, and of course we have the street stories or the freestyle category. So just to highlight the prizes for these categories, for the highlight category, the first prize will receive 20,000 pesos. The second is 15,000 pesos, and the third will receive 10,000 pesos. And hopefully along the way, we could collaborate with photography enthusiasts or brands so that our prices will be added up. We can add up some in-kind prizes for these events. And also we have the sectoral events. The first place will receive 50,000 pesos, 10,000 for the second, and 5,000 for the first place. And for the street stories, the first place will receive 15,000 pesos, the second place 10,000, and the third will receive 5,000 pesos. And beforehand, we announced that the registration fee is 1,500, but the board decided to trim it down to 800 pesos because we would like to encourage a lot of local photographers as well as our visitors to join this event, especially that we are celebrating the Golden Mascara Festival. And the winning photos will not only earn cash prizes or hopefully some extra prizes from our brand sponsors. These photographs will be exhibited after the Mascara month. So the awarding of winners will be on November 8th. It coincides with the opening of the exhibit in Ayala. Okay? And also, hopefully, these photographs would have a chance to be immortalized because this will be displayed in our upcoming Bacolod City Museum, no, to highlight the history and the vibrancy and the spirit and now the heart of Mascara Festival. And the registrants at 800 pesos will receive an exclusive kit. No, so una, naghahatag lang kita IDs, but we would like to provide the photographers, aside from the ID, are the best. No, to emphasize the color as well as their presence in these areas para matagaan gid respect and chance ang mga photographers natin to take their or to capture the moments freely. Kay tikong kung nagamix ka lang sa crowd, especially now that we have a lot of photo enthusiasts through their phones. Kaloy sa mga photographers, especially visitors, if nagamix lang, isdog lang sila. Dahigan cookies. So this time, hopefully, with our identity, we could give or provide better access for our photographers. And of course, speaking of the sectoral events, we could provide exclusive access to them. And nagsulati ang tanan niya sectoral events natin, we will give slots also to photographers para may access sila free no sa aton ng mga special events here sa Mascara Festival. And aside from the photo contest, we will be also starting or kicking off our photography event for Mascara this September 15. Currently, we are collecting old photos no, from 1980s up to early 2000s. And we will open the exhibit, hopefully this September 15 at the SMCP North Block. No, so we are currently gathering all the photos. Hopefully, the media, our friends from media, could also help encourage the photo enthusiasts or even those who have their archives or mga treasures nila of the past Mascara festivals. So we need those photos so that we could highlight the history of Mascara Festival. So with that, we entitled the exhibit as Hinumdum, no? Mascara Through the Years. And they could catch the details and updates through the Facebook page of the Camera Club of Negros. So, thank you very much.
What if, sir, they decide to join the 3 categories? So, tatlo ka registration?
No, 1 registration.
So, 3 categories?
Yes, they can join the 3 categories. So, 1 photographer, 1 registration.
And this is exclusive only Bacolod nun?
This is open to all.
May limit ka mo, sir?
So far, wala.
Kasi lang gusto lang magpo ID kag maka-access.
Yes, actually, the reason that we provided the vest and the IDs and the registration fee so that we could really encourage those who are really photo enthusiasts or who are into photography. Because sometimes kung itagaan mo siya leeway lang, no, sometimes gusto lang nila access eh. So we would like to encourage really those who are photo enthusiasts who have the talents, especially kung locals natin, so that we could highlight these photographers.
So excuse, di ba after na, kung naka-choose na mga winners, na-display na sa mga boss?
Yes.
Specifically, where is yung display?
As what I mentioned, it will be displayed on November 8 in Ayala. So it coincides with the awarding of the winners.
Any more questions?
Sir, sa mga request mo, di ba mga old photos, anong makuha nila or voluntary lang yung i-submit?
It's more of a voluntary since we would like to encourage all the locals, the Bacolodnons, no, to help us rebuild and relive the spirit of Mascara, which is also the thrust of the foundation this year.
So far, damo na nag-submit? Or...
So far, we have an ample number, but we would like to encourage more para mas legit nga mga daan pagit nga mga pictures. And just to inform everyone, the Mascara or the Camera Club of Negros is doing this yearly eyeball lunch for all the photographers every year with our own expense man, no? So this has been the active participation or contribution of the Camera Club of Negros to Bacolod City and to the Mascara Festival, since we would like to encourage visitors from outside. Actually, we have been receiving a lot of visitors yearly from outside Bacolod and even international.
So foreigners can join as well?
Yes.
Ang ginagamit yung camera, saan mo lang?
We will provide a guideline for that, but usually we encourage the use of SLRs. No, but we will see, we will announce in the future if other gadgets or mobile phones could be accepted. But we will release the guideline, official guidelines soon.
Okay, do we have